Has he returned the goods? He said that he has not returned the goods. When we are discussing, he told me that the SS are meeting here in the secretariat, and that the chairman of Ohofia Local Government Council of Traditional Rulers is still in the premises. So he took me to meet His Royal Highness Igwe Ojike. I went and met with him. I discussed extensively with him, and he enlightened me. I told him that this problem can be traced to the conflict because the Ezogos do not recognize the traditional rulers as being superior to them, as the government attended it. The government needs people to work with for the development of the communities. And that is why they have people they recognized as traditional rulers of the different communities. The Ezogo these people are fighting about, I discovered in the organogram of governance of Abia State. They were at the same level as village heads, youth leaders, women leaders. Even the President General of the village town union is above them. The President Generals in the organogram of governance, they come after the traditional rulers. They were on the same level as village heads, women leaders, youth leaders, and so on. So I talked to him extensively. And I appealed to him. The same appeal I made to him, I'm making to you, for you people. His Royal Highness here, His Royal Highness Musu here, is having a serious challenge in Akano Ohofia. Needs you people's support and possible protection. You may think it doesn't concern you, but I'm glad that you people feel that it concerns you. I'm happy for that. But like our people will say, if we allow these people and this man and his people to be stamping down on Onyiregbe, His Royal Highness, like that, other Ezogos, like I heard there are other Ezogos in other places, or aspiring Ezogos, may start doing the same thing. Please, if you ask me to come back again, I will come. Because I don't know what Abia State will look like if Akano Ohofia goes into crisis. It's a very big community. If they go into crisis, and you know how very fond of machete your people are. They like at every they will start. Each person will bring his machete, and they'll be cutting all over the place. So please, Your Highnesses, I think I'll end my discussion here. I hope if you have any questions, I'm willing to answer them. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The eloquent testimony of the coordinator of civil rights and human rights in Nigeria, in Abia State. I'm inviting the leader of Akano delegation to tell us why they are equally here.
Ekeleta Monica, ndị a ka anụ anyị wọsị meeting from Master Kingsley Apowa. We are national presidents. Government recognize ADA. You can do half the line of Washawanya, so why won't you find the account of here? Can if I manage to tell you to keep Bruno now, you don't try to mission. I'm going to one for today more. And Liaji Bitoka, who can you be to fair tardy? O be different like a foodie at Togaga. O if ever shine Asia. There is only a new son got called Rica. Before I can't make well not even here because you don't want to see one of them. And my friendship will know. So when I say, if I was no canny, I can mainly Uncle Bashaninko Butamon. Or shall I? Ubuliao. We both local government for Sakano. Down for Amebo. 1 year motor monetization 300,000 or Huruga. Yalla. Yeah, the secretary, infrastructural committee in the Akano Development Union. Goabia, and say I actually would if I can money. I be a weir, I cannot talk about 9.11 million. What was 9.11 million? I just look on the ABCP, I look at World Bank. I see 5 community hand the account. I know 500,000 in our counterpart funding. Then, you 2.5 million. Then, I'm with 500,000 doing the training. I don't know what I mean. I don't know where the remaining money account for it. So, remember the advance up with the account. Minimum account say, God bless you, I'm a little go. Can I wish you? Ya Pugatago cow, ya si fair bush a mel, mo, ya dissolve account youth. More area. Secondly, ya the dissolve the security vigilante in the account. Ndo you never eat and body. Ndo the Unesia. Ndo the broad base, ya whip more as a Kukotaqua, Munemoji. So, and that before alcohol, as you should put my Utah. In fact, my Utah cannot show me. Mbo, my Utah cannot say, there go to it was at 6 million naira water project. Get a commissioner water project, had the Gacano, Abaya Regi, thank you, Jorobo, Brent by Cotania, Coragaca, who know greater 6 million away. That the then ADU. Unu Yaji again, Egon the ABCP Europeo, 25 million one day line plus Unco. Unu made by government to know, we said an account to Funume, Unume. When I cannot black again, I just look for another fund to develop a canvas in that room, the level blacklist. Who got there in 2004, Makagusago. So, I go see him. I cannot actually come with the ballet. I can't remember. I like mother states. Got what 10,000. What the motor I know from? Oh, I can't say 20,000 every day in the motor. All day, who go to my account every youth account to 600 naira a year. I won't cook, I won't cover. Make her the benefit. I like calculate for around for 13 good years, around 800 million. As I'm saying this thing now, I am going to do me a quarter of me. Actually, I'm to improve for me. I am only a single statement of account. You remember, Dima, don't want to make the phone. I am going to get my agenda. Agent Hoji Bansa, what you told me, Neshibe, 1 year coaching header, half a ball, only love, yes, you went again. Before they go, my only love more, it will work by your bike. So, ya with the phone, ya be to Chukua Cano, Yana Chiacano by force and fire. Go to Acano by force and fire. Me get about Lavasa. No, Cano. And be a fully. Who's a Cano be a baby? You don't want to see Philip. One not be more account, Mutobajan get on 100 naira, you don't have fair money. My grandma who have one beyond 200,000. Yes, everyone knows what I mogo. A look bear, not able to dangote, on Yamu. Yana can watch you watch the motor. Yes, instead of 30 bags of cement every day, Yana can 2 or 5 bags of cement, and you 1.5 million. As a bought, no longer if any person come motor and never know. HB Fitman have put and Kuyaba can. The transformers, 100 kV, 100 money, a baby bedroom, in Kakano Pongo. Then I let to be Fedumo, answer. Although if I'm permitted to kill, if all your cake could come in the foul, Yago and don't you do it might take your pool. Nobody cannot do well. If a man, a great one, if a man, Yaka cannot go to one, maybe a gem, Unanime. because eji police atoto account edo moto aso ma aso de moto magato ego to go banje ndi ma so do no we je toyoto e chitele na be buche account anwo me na le me to di ku kagoto e je polo aga mu obo me na le hafia nke eji police ni all the city dem na agba eji the city ku gbulu e ama ne be ndo hafia if on di agba igbu awo all this complaint ma be poro to the u-turn ma ba the charges of u-turn ya share 2014 what about weapon and they are ready to defend it and ya copy ya debo because onye ife aguga won go share akpa agba jiba mu o share akpa yanfu so ife nja akpa iwu ife bi nje no ko na akpa ya aja debo nu akwa unu le to ya holistically mba pe wo lege akadu ya de lege si afo ife oje esi mo oto o di foto ango saro no legi bi sate ni foto be menye fo lehi ba ba de si le ndo issue for the yara mo we bo wo so ko gache nde jo ya ura aliwo wo ye ko de lege mpa no ga e bi bi si aliwo ya gure ko du ma tosa ife du ma akadu to ga and the police ezuba dum and the one or if you make a game statement of half a ball. Let them make room. And move away. Remember, statement from everything. Remember, statement. I am a good lady. You are my lemon. Was one water 1,000 naira. So I think you don't know. You would have 5,000 no. That is the end of the day. So if you just have above the law. So if I can come out, then make a layer Lusubia. If I see your tune there, maybe lying. Mbo, Mbaugesia can. You will get up to the Utah, Munda Cano, daily, half an game and measure. Jari Grandpa, Dorani, Akano will raise it. Go away for one name about Church of Satan Akano, that bottle of Hannah or half year. Or give me, do you do to your hand for table, or give what you shape Sapano. If I can measure because also the monk Bawama, you go my leg. I saw your way, I can say Pusa, Apanacano, or a builder. I saw your way, I can. If I cheat to no sale. August I go to Moho, women account. Why would I can't be booked to account? Women account almost 800 million for 13 good years. Or you see, I get back in the or you could get a account built by a account development union. Or you could say, we make more. The year about December 120,000 naira. As I break letter, what I do, I also name I got fair. Or one day ADU. So if I back out, Mba use the account, who use the editor. What we told them that no report the human rights. The human rights abuse in account, in the account, maybe more. After my passion, they give up. Really, they pack them, or do I can bapen. Imagine you was it, or go back for their boots or one day. What do women in that can? But hit legend in none. But if I don't cheat to know, oh, ya won't you grow ya, or you know another. And you go anywhere, every you should on the human rights. Flag here, ya follow a fufu, somebody has told a woman. When the police are Bolia, so God, the as you more cognitive subject in a paper. From Namayako, if you have any subject, you have to go to Come on, never subject here. Let me if you go to Tamanika, Minado Tuno, Muddy Gianni, you don't have here, or Gacalono. If it is any make it by the Indian doom, always you always you. For talk, you are begging for, but Jaga above the law half here. And you Jaga Nogabia State, and I know Nigeria, I be one type of human rights abuse. But I want Paduno, or didn't bother Jabalo, Abia State or pay for our forger. And the program, Rafa dear, Minado Tuno, Sunu, Binico, Naka, if you have a shanefon. They will issue, Yapado measure, Mbaugesia can. Or we come, or half ya, you would if you do, oh, you're going to run away, or ya wish it. The Jadica can do. Or give him half ya, you may put a can wish it. Or give women on board. Then as you go half ya, as you fell to measure. Before you throw Uncle 21 days, or because of that 21 days, you throw Uncle you want to measure. Take your neighbor. So, before you throw money, you're not going to be at 2012 or 21 days. Because of that 21 days, I wish is you or give them a side garden. I didn't really fall. Oh, we make all abomination, always taboo. You say, Bon, we have a wanta. You say, get to me to go Filazo. Or dig or dig, we be the co, you Danyaka. Who called him? What's your awesome difference? I'm a paper, who called Wakot, if you do more creative. No wonder, in your half year, I let him out of desert. My boy do make power. Do more. Do you pensioner? Do you want to let me sit. When you're not now, can offer my group of you could have found. Did you could live like you? Oh, Mugamo. Or 100% of them, but before me, Brahma, Mbano, Babu Bama, Yakuruma, Wamash, and the local government, Yas in the local government. Now the pandemic like you, Akano, or one done now, local government. What do we have? We are about 8 November. What they made in New Year, and you look to Abadro, be like you have here, but we have a python match, and now should have been a and not that. And I was I can. But I am a type of cuckoo. This is not a battle. Mando, my miniature, Matamimo, what I could buy, I need to say. Where is your? ọ̀yà wọn àwọn àṣìpá mẹ́pẹ́ ìgbẹ́ dòdò ọ̀dẹ̀ dà kọ́ ọ̀tọ́wọ́ èsì ẹ̀wọ̀n ní fẹ́mẹ́ ní òjì ọ̀tọ́wọ́ dúró dé because wáyé bọ̀ àṣẹ ìdíjà fọ káàní.
ìjọ ìpẹ́ ńwàlú pàṣọkà wọ́n ní wọ́n àbíkọ́ mgbe ọ na-akpali anyị ife gbara n'aka nọ ọ sị na mba ọjọọ bụ a vigilante group ndị emega eme arrest ndị ife omemụ in prison onwe a detention camp ibe oku ndị ife aga ife m chọtụ no mere eme achọrọ m ịkpọpụsa afa ndị aka n'odum wone ndị vigilante group unu eleta ose ndị ọkpa afọ ọdị nọ ime chief ibe ụmụoke Osomo. Kalu oge kalu.
Osomo. Okiho.
Francis Udumoduma.
Osomo.
Amechi Udumoduma.
Osomo.
Gode Oburu.
Osomo.
Oburu.
Osomo.
Ebele ibe Uduma. Ebele ibe Uduma.
Osomo.
Lazarus Maduka.
Osomo.
That's the next one with the sunny.
I am going.
I'm coming. Carlo Ebichi Udo.
Kalibichi Udo.
Carlo Ebichi Udo.
Osomo. Osomo. Onye scout. Osomo.
Okay. Emele.
Osomo.
Our active member. Osando Oji.
Osomo.
Osando Soa. Odo Udumuibe.
Osomo.
Udo Wabaduka.
Osomo.
Agụ Uduma Ifekwe. Agụ Uduma Ifekwe. Osogo. Udo Njokoke. Oji Osu Kalo.
Osomo.
Oyo Abukreke. Osowa. Kalo le. Kalo ole okotole.
Kalo ole ohane wo watukule tubaki.
Also, they had before now.
Before.
Also, Hano.
He decided not to.
Follow them again, okay. Okreke Oyo Okpa. Okreke Oyo Okpa.
Osonagimo.
Osogo. Nduka Ibem Uduma.
Nduka Ibem. Osomo. Osomo.
Helen Kalo Kore. Mwame.
Osomo.
Ibe Obasi Ibe.
Osomo.
Wow. Ogechi Iko Ogole.
Osomo.
Keduche.
Osomo.
Ibe Ibole.
Osomo.
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 ụfọdụ wadị ma ha ndị polisi adị ndị wọch fụla eke Osoko Uche Njokudiba Osoko Sunday Kalagu Oso Ibalonyo
Oso moi.
Sunday Kalagu.
Olo is it Olo? Olo
Oso moi.
Uyo Kaloke
Oso moi.
After what do you definitely do there?
Oh,
Oyani Afa. We are more eyes that do traditional Ghanaian Afa. I'm just telling them my policy. Njoko Agwawa.
Oso moi.
Okay, oh yeah.
Oso moi.
Also,